because it's in continuous evolution, is what
Yes.
you're saying. So how have Wipro's priorities changed in accordance with that?
So, very good question, because our Wipro priorities are 100% aligned to our customer priorities.
Okay.
Right? Having said that, there's a couple of things we are focusing and doubling down on, right? The first one is, I've always believed that evolution or change happens from a place of strength or what you're really good at. And Wipro is very, very good at one thing, which is strong talent. So our first focus area is talent and talent platform. We are in a high-touch business. We are all about white glove services. But then as our customer base increases and our demands from our customer increase, our goal is to reflect internally and see how do we give you a white glove treatment at scale. So hence we are platformizing what we do, and hence the whole idea around Top Coder. Top Coder is essentially that talent platform that on one end we groom and train and constantly mentor members. Whoever wants to join, it's an open community. Anyone can join. We just announced this morning that we will be launching here in the kingdom as well.
Excellent.
And yes, we're very excited about it because it comes with training, it comes with mentoring. If you really Google Top Coder members, you'll have Wikipedia pages of these members that have solved increasingly difficult and very interesting problems.
So how does it work?
Yeah, so, so on one end, as I said, it's the whole Top Coder member experiences, part of which is Top Coder Academy. We are about aggregating content, training content across the globe with many, many partnerships. But we also have some free content, a lot of free content. And the Top Coder Academy is about tapping into interested individuals who are in high school, colleges, or may have a completely different career but are interested in technology and programming, and then train them. And within our 1.7 million member community, since we've been running it for the last 15, 20 years, we have these mentors who then sit with these members to mentor them in terms of how do you optimize your solution or your solve, or how do you better code or algorithm. And then we have a constant SRM matches, which is single round match, which members can compete and get better. So that's good for our community because they get better, they get trained, they get mentorship, and they can have an opportunity to earn because these challenges from NASA, we just talked about it, where we help them discover 2 new comets, or from Harvard and from other 160 customers that use Top Coder to tap into that 1.7 million member community to solve for interesting challenges.
Okay, I want to find out about NASA, but before we go into that, what I want to know is, look, we're here, we're in Riyadh. Localization is really important.
Yes.
Because talent and needs are going to vary from
Yes.
one region to another.
Yes.